Diabetes, very common condition. You would know so many people around you, probably in your family too. Diabetes is a very, very common condition around us. How does it impact your life insurance policy? People with diabetes, can they have a life insurance? If so, what are the things insurance companies actually looking at in your application? How do they assess application with a diabetes condition? Let's talk about this today. Hello and welcome. This is Leenaparwani, your host, and today we are talking about diabetic people, how they can apply for life insurance. What are the insurance company actually looking at in those applications? So, few things which you should know very, very clearly in order to think that you can have a life insurance policy on place. Few things which insurance advisor or insurance underwriters actually looking at in your application. Number one, how long you have been having this condition, just 2 years or 5, 10 years. People with just recent diabetic condition have a lesser risk versus people who have a diabetes condition from so many years. It is really important. So do be very, very clear in your application when you have an extra questionnaire, how many years you have this condition from. That is the information underwriter look at it to put you into higher risk or lower risk. Number two, they are looking at your lifestyle. How do you live your lifestyle? Do you have a fitness regime? How you actually eat over if you have so many years old? Do you really go for regular checkups like every 3 months? If you do, please do mention in your application. People who do a regular health checkups are on a lower risk versus people who don't even check for many, many months just like that. Take it easy kind of. Those are high risk for insurance company to take them on board. Number three, your HbA1c is really important to know, is it in control or not? If you are taking medicine or your lifestyle is good, you're supposed to be having a good HbA1c report. If you have reports showing every quarter one, that will be a solid help for insurance underwriter to assess your application. You can produce number of reports to them in order to support your case. Why? Because you will have a loading. How much? It depends on your good health reports. So support your application with number of reports which you have. The good reports always help to reduce your loading onto it. Or you may be surprised to have no loading on place at all. Depends on your health reports. Number four, medicine doses. Are you on a regular medicine every day? What are your doses? Are you on insulin? If it is, how many? They look at all this information very carefully again to put you in a category of low risk or high risk. So this is information they actually ask you and carefully assess the quality of information you provide them, the quality of assessment which you will get it. As I said, not necessarily all the diabetes people will get rated policy. We have done cases where people had no loading at all because the support was so much. The client was very supportive. They share so much of information about the health condition which support your case. Can a diabetes get a critical illness cover? Interesting question. Well, diabetes people do get critical illness cover subject to their all those reports or assessment which I just mentioned to you. If all are in a good shape, if you are a low risk, you can still qualify for a critical illness coverage. If not, then you can still have a cancer cover on place. The insurance companies can remove all other critical illness which is related to diabetic condition because diabetes actually impact many other things in our body. So yes, most of the illnesses do come because of that. So they will be exempted, but you can still apply cancer because cancer is a totally different category of illness which you can still get it in your life insurance policy. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and please share your comments. If you had diabetes, what your policy was rated, how much was it rated? Do you have friends who have a diabetes and they're looking for life insurance? Send me the question. I'll be happy to answer. And my future video is coming on blood pressure and obese, how those applications are assessed. Coming up.